Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol CBAT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, quite the eventful day on this one, and now that the dust has settled, some very well-defined areas that, and I'm not trying to come across like this is some sort of special talent to see this or that this is some sort of great discovery. The exact opposite. I assure you, people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching these levels. And I emphasize that because when a lot of people are watching the same levels and wondering the same thing, call that a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want. It can definitely produce some very dynamic movements. And that's what we have with a couple of these levels. The first level here is the one that stands out the most, and every breakout player and their brother's uncle is going to be watching this area right here at, let's just call it $2.80. I mean, you go through the history of the chart and you can see, generally speaking, 280 was a problem. 280 was a problem. And then once again this afternoon on Monday, 280 was a problem. So while there's no such thing as a guarantee in the market, my core point here is that if the price continues to consolidate and then get a break up through that level, it's a more than valid, it's a more than rational thought to be having that. That could very well create quite a bit of upside buying pressure. So keep an eye on 280 from the resistance side of things. Definitely a very well-defined level that, like I said, lots of other traders will be watching. On the flip side of things, the other level that a lot of people are going to be watching is down here at the bottom of this consolidation area, right around $2.10. So again, same logic, nothing guaranteed, but a more than valid thought to have that if the price does come down to 210 and then ultimately falls down below it, that very well could create quite a bit of downside selling pressure. So keep a close eye on that level also. But all in all, a very cut and dry chart. You have two very well-defined areas, and not just a question of, seeing how the price behaves relative to these couple of areas. But the week is young, only Monday, still 4 days left. So let's see how this one continues to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.